This is a video of me cooking. Alright, so today what we're having is leftover food, and what I have for leftovers is Thai to go. It's a Thai soup. I don't know what it's called, but it's here. So what I did is, before anything, what I did is just got the to-go container and then put it in the pot, but I add a little bit of water. Because it's a soup, and what I did with the leftovers is I pretty much ate most of the soup, so there's no soup left, so I just add a little bit of water. And I think reheating it with more water, I think the flavor is still gonna be there. I don't really think it's gonna be watered down, but it all depends. But I think this one, the flavor is still there. All right, so let's go over here. All right, so we're just gonna put some soup. So I always want to make these kind of food. I just don't know how. And I really don't know where to get like those ingredients that goes with it. Plus, since since I'm by myself for now, I can't really make these kind of foods that often, because if I make them, it's gonna be way too much for me. I ended up having a large pot of soup, and I could only have like one bowl, and after that I'm probably gonna store it in the fridge and never touch it again. So that's the reason why I don't make these kind of foods often. And plus, not every ingredient that we have for these kind of foods are in the groceries. I'm pretty sure there can be found, some of the ingredients can be found in a regular grocery store. Like, so let's say over here we got mussels, crab meat, and then some noodles, and then I don't know where to get the spicy stuff that builds the most flavor for this soup. So that's the thing, and so I guess like these kind of foods, like especially like Asian foods, probably, I'm gonna go to a regular grocery store and then go to a 99 Ranch and get the ingredients there. But most of the time I'm more like a person that's gonna go to a grocery store that's gonna be right in town instead of going to another town that is a half an hour drive, you know, and I can't do that often. But since I'm making these videos, I'll try to make these kind of foods. But yeah, so what we're having is Thai soup, like so. I can't tilt the. I can tilt the camera. So here's what it looks like. So these are leftovers, and it's 2 days old, and I just reheated up on the stove, and it still looks great. So it doesn't go bad really fast, and yeah. So there was a lot for this leftovers. So there's actually like two. I think this is like large containers. Most of the to go are like half of this, but there's a lot. So there's actually like leftovers. It's like filled 2 containers of these, and what we're gonna do with these containers are we're not gonna throw it away. I like to keep these containers, and I like these containers. Not all plastic containers are the same. Some are just like they're not as strong, so they're kind of like when you press on it, kind of like bends too much. But this one, it's sturdy enough to actually hold something. So we're gonna keep these, just wash it. Alright, so what we're gonna have for the soup is we're gonna add rice with it. Alright, so here's dinner for. So here's pretty much the dinner for tonight. Rice, Thai soup, spicy. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's spicy Thai soup, and then a glass of water. Alright, again, my name is Sage, and this is me cooking in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time when I cook. Alright, so today is December 21, 2019, and I'll see you later. Alright, bye.